guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Lizzy Okechukwu. To all my returning subscribers, you are all welcome and loved. If today is your first time of coming into this family, you are all welcome. Just grab your seat, sit down and enjoy as we go. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I prepared my egusi soup, non-fry egusi soup. So guys, I'm going to be introducing you to the ingredients that I'll be using in preparing this delicious egusi soup. First of all, I have my ugu. This is frozen ugu leaf. I don't think I'll be using all of this, but this is the frozen ugu leaf that I'll be going to use in preparing this egusi soup. And here I have my Uziza leaf as well. I will be combining these two leaves to make the egusi because I love the aroma of this leaf, Uziza, in my egusi soup, in my ogbono or okra soup. So guys, here I have my blended egusi. I blended it already before filming. And here I have my smoked mackerel fish. I just smoked it not quite long. I'll be using it as well. Here I have my dried fish. And here I have my crayfish. In here I have my salt to taste, my Knorr seasoning cube. Actually I have two of these, but I have added one to the meat that I'm cooking already. Here I have my habanero pepper. I'm using red and yellow, and my oil. Yes. So guys, I'll take you guys to the pot now. Sorry, I'm not taking you to the pot. So guys, let me show you what I have in the pot cooking. So guys, here my meat is already cooking, as I don't want this video to be too long. So in here I have my goat meat and my stock fish, some onion, seasoning cube. So guys, it's cooking already. I'll cover it to continue cooking. Okay guys, the meat has been cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes now, and it's time for me to take it out from the water. I'm going to be taking out the meat. I'll take out everything. So guys, I'm done removing the meat. So now I'm going to be adding my pepper. After that, I'll be adding my oil. I'll allow this to cook for 2 or 3 minutes, then I'll come back and add my egusi. So guys, it's time to add the egusi. Here is my egusi. I'll stir it very well, and I'll cover it and start cooking. I'll allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes before I come back to check it. See you guys later. So guys, this has been cooking for the past 15 minutes now. I'm going to check it. It's cooking already. I will still allow it to cook for about 10 minutes more. So guys, this has been cooking for 5 minutes, not up to 10 minutes. I want to add my dry fish. It doesn't take time to cook. And I will add in my crayfish. Since I started cooking this egusi, I have not added salt to it because egusi is sweet already. So I'm going to be adding just little quantity of salt to it. I will stir it again and I will cover and continue cooking. As it's cooking, I will go ahead and debone the smoked fish and get it ready as well. So guys, it's 10 minutes already, and I'm back to check on the egusi. Yeah, the egusi is cooked now. It's bubbling. I taste for salt and it's perfect. I'll add in my ugu. That's pumpkin leaf vegetable. I'll be adding it bit by bit. My Uziza. I'll give it a stir. I think I'll be adding the remaining ugu. Yeah, it's okay now. This is the consistency I need. I'll go ahead and add in the remaining seasoning cube. This is as strong as stone. Let me help myself with something else. I've added it already and I'm giving it a stir. Did you see that? I've covered it just for 1 minute, then I'll add the meat. So guys, it's 1 minute already. I'll give it a good stir to make sure everything is well combined. The Uziza leaf gave it a nice aroma, and I can tell it will really taste good. The deboned fish. At this point guys, I'm going to be giving it a gentle stir. You don't want to stir everything together and allow it to for like just 1 more minute. I'll cover to cook for 1 more minute and our soup is done. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you are watching this video up to this time, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime new video is uploaded. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video out. Share it out to anywhere shareable and leave me comment down below. We are going to allow this to cook for 1 minute like I said, and I'll be back. At this point guys, the soup is done. The soup is ready and I'm going to be enjoying this soup with plantain swallow. So guys, this is the end result of my non-fried egusi soup. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next upload. Bye bye.